final thoughts with Monday approaching and these attorneys using the next few days to vigorously prepare and get the final finishing touches put on everything. Tell me what you think both sides are thinking about.
I think the prosecution has to, number one, think about narrowing down his witness list according to the judge. He's got to shorten that up a little bit. And I think that it's a really good time to be thinking about the order of the presentation of your witnesses and how you want the evidence to come in. Trials are like telling a story, and you need to make sure that that story makes sense from beginning to end. And, you know, there are times where witnesses have to be called out of order, but I think that witness order and figuring out how everything fits right into place is where I'd be spending my time right now. They know this evidence down cold at this point. They don't need to be learning anything new. It's just about how the trial will be produced at this point, I think.
Exactly. Some of the planning details fine-tuned. Tell me, do you think there's any chance that any of the other defendants, those fired officers, Tutau, King, and Lane, do you think there's any way they're going to roll on Derek Chauvin? Do you think the state may call any of them to give testimony against him at his trial?
I don't see that happening. I think that their fortunes will rise and fall on what happens in this case. I think that if Derek Chauvin's convicted of any of the three current charges, that you might see a plea across the board with the three remaining defendants. I don't think that they do anything before then. I think that we won't hear from them, and they'll continue to remain silent, if you will.
Yeah, they'll continue watching this case very closely. That is for sure. Well said, Christa Ramey. Great to have you on the program. Thank you so much for lending us your insight.
Thank you so much.
And what we're going to do is take